Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by feather&bone. This face wash tablet has 3 ingredients. Cornstarch hydrates and moisturizes, Fuller's Earth cleanses and exfoliates, and sandalwood protects your skin. This face wash tablet is also gluten-free, non-GMO, not tested on animals, and vegan-free. I'm going to place the tablet in the palm of my hand, and then I'm going to drop some water onto the tablet, and the tablet's going to turn from a tan color to a darker brown. And then I'm going to take my finger and mix it around, and basically the water dissolves the tablet into your face wash. Now you can apply the face wash on your face. I'm going to apply it going in circular motions and covering my whole face. Now I'm going to take a washcloth with warm water and wash off my face. As I'm washing off my face, I can already tell my skin feels way more refreshed. My skin feels way more hydrated and instantly soft.